Today we are going to be doing a volcano experiment. So we already got water in it. It feels hot. And we don't have vegetable oil, but we're going to use corn oil.
Okay, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so first up, it calls for add 1 medium scoop of baking soda. So if you want to grab one of the test tubes, pick your favorite one. Okay, and then hold it, and I will add. All right, what's it doing? Anything?
So guys, we have we have a tiny spoon.
Yep, so next with this tiny spoon, we're going to add red cabbage powder.
Ooh.
And then we're going to be stirring it.
We did one with that, but it's more really bad.
All right, now, do you want me to hold it while you stir it? Okay, you stir it.
It's turning. Oh, I smell it. It smells bad.
That's true, looks at it.
Red cabbage powder steam.
Blech.
All right, we have it nice and stirred, so now we need to slowly pour the corn oil. It's supposed to be vegetable oil.
Guys, look. It has blue.
What you want to go with the oil?
China oil.
What are they doing?
I don't know, cinnamon.
What are they doing?
Making like it's mixing with the oil.
Why are they releasing the stuff?
You see, it's kind of like bubbling like a volcano would.
No.
All right, now here comes the real part. So next we're going to add citric acid.
But why the oil they separate now? The oil is in the top, right?
Yeah, and the water's on the bottom. All right, so next we're going to add citric acid, and this is where it should get going.
Where your phone, Sarah? Give me that.
I got it. So we're adding 1 medium scoop.
So tomorrow, when we're done with school, we're gonna do another one.
Where's the medium scoop, guys? Oh.
Medium.
No, that's the small scoop.
Medium.
It's in here with the baking soda. Okay. Here goes nothing. Ready for some action.
They bored?
I don't know.
So we just have to wait.
What do?
It's turning
Come
purple.
now.
That's how it does.
That's our volcano.
It's purple.
That's all they do? Huh?
Says now add another medium scoop. Wait until
Hold on,
it
but I
settles
can see.
down.
Move the spoon. Alright. It's still working. Look. Hold on, Ray. It's still working in the bottle. Look.
Now it says we add another one.
Nice. Mix this up. Right?
It's gonna go off again.
I think you need to put a lot and make it bubbles everywhere.
No, Daddy.
No, you need to deepen. How do you go down? Oh, yeah.
It's not a dangerous one.
So now you need to design the volcano because that one is only in the bottles. Right? You need to make it your
Do you know why we have 2 more? Because I think we're gonna be doing it, pouring it, and then we're gonna do the same thing.
Okay, so what do you think? You see how that turned pink? What do you think is going to happen if we add baking soda to it?
Ooh, I hope it turns black.
What do you think will happen, guys?
I think it would
To
turn
what?
purple.
We're gonna add baking soda to this. What do you think is gonna happen?
Blue.
Blue, you think it's gonna turn blue?
No.
I think it's gonna quit bubbling.
What?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Yeah.
Dad, I think it's gonna turn
Baking
purple.
soda make it bubble.
Dad, I think it's gonna turn purple. That purple is pink.
Okay. By the way, I need to see my down over there behind.
You guys ready?
Is the guinea pig. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ready to go paint all the material.
Okay. There, go over there. No? Watch out, Ryan. Start walking. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Get in the car. Put more. Put a lot. See how much. Oh yeah, look at it.
Gonna blow.
Oh, they
Oh
took.
wow, that made way more.
Yeah.
It's purple.
Yes, now it's purple. Before it's like pink. But look in the bottom how we make it clear. All the dark is getting clear. See that?
That was cool.
And this is bubble on the plate.
You really knew, and the plate's gonna eat the plate. You gotta make sure.
No, it's not easy. What kind of will eat that plate?
The acid,
Oh, it's acid?
citric acid. I think it can kill you.
Nah.
Really, MG?
What is it? Why they can kill you? Why they put on the kid? They give it to the kids.
I don't know.
It's not kill, but it's
Oh my god, the bottom looks really cool though. Like
I
the
like
mixed colors.
like a purple and pink.
Mm-hmm.
Can we do blue next?
I told you one science experiment, girlfriend. Unless Daddy wants to do one.
What?
You want to do a science experiment, another one?
Mm.
Huh?
What did you say?
Alright, so that was our daily science experiment. What do you have to say? Was it fun or not fun?
Fun.
And just so everybody knows, we are using the My First Mind-Blowing Science Experiment Kit that we got off of Amazon. It's really cool. We've made a volcano, we made some crystals. What else did we make right before?
We also did one that has that and this, and it also we had to leave it in the night and then in the morning.